مرحباً بكم في أكاديمية صوفيا. في درس اليوم سنكمل سلسلتنا لتعلم المفردات، وسنقوم باستكشاف الكلمات والأماكن التي يمكن أن نجدها في الحي. Neighborhood. He lives in a quiet house in the neighborhood. He lives in a quiet house in the neighborhood. House. My house is big and beautiful. My house is big and beautiful. Building. He enters the building after work. He enters the building after work. Alley. The children play in the alley. The children play in the alley. Square. People talk with each other in the square. People talk with each other in the square. Garden. Families visit the garden on weekends. Families visit the garden on weekends. Bench. He sits on the bench. He sits on the bench. Mosque. He prays in the mosque every day. He prays in the mosque every day. School. He learns new things at school. He learns new things at school. Store. She buys food from the store. She buys food from the store. Cafe. He works in a small cafe near his home. He works in a small cafe near his home. Neighbor. He talks with his neighbor every morning. He talks with his neighbor every morning. Residents. The residents clean the street together. The residents clean the street together. Library. She reads and learns at the library. She reads and learns at the library. Parking lot. He parks his car in the parking lot. He parks his car in the parking lot. Playground. The children play in the playground after school. The children play in the playground after school. Clinic. She visits the clinic when she feels sick. She visits the clinic when she feels sick. Sports club. He trains at the sports club every evening. He trains at the sports club every evening. Bakery. She buys fresh bread from the bakery. She buys fresh bread from the bakery. Post office. He sends letters from the post office. He sends letters from the post office. اقرأ هذه الكلمات لآخر مرة قبل الانتقال إلى الاختبار التالي. يمكنك إيقاف الفيديو وقراءتها بقدر ما تريد. أحسنت.